I know what you're thinking. We're Italian, pizza, pasta, mandolino. But breaking news, we love fries too. And that's how we do it.
There are loads of potato varieties around the world: russets, red, yellow, white, petite, blah blah blah. For the crunchiest fries possible, we suggest mealy and starchy potatoes, such as American russets. Since it's summer in Italy, we found early potatoes, red potatoes, and thinner skinned potatoes. The second star of this recipe is frying oil. I always use peanut oil. It costs more but works better because it has the highest smoking point. The first thing you will need for perfect fries is flaky salt such as Maldon or kosher salt. Let's start by washing and peeling our lovely potatoes. It doesn't matter if you leave some skin on them, it gives an extra crunch and a rustic look. Boil the potatoes for 30 minutes. It's better to choose them all the same size, so they will have the same cooking time too. It's salsa time! And we love this garlicky tomato mayo. Hard to say but easy to make. You will need 2 yolks, 1 garlic clove, 1 spoon of honey mustard, 100 ml of peanut oil and some fresh dill. I pasteurize the eggs by hard boiling for 4 minutes. Then peel them and only use the yolks, otherwise you can just use fresh yolks. Mix the yolks until creamy and yellowy. Start pouring the peanut oil slowly and keep mixing until the mayo thickens. Then add the garlic and the tomato paste, then the dill, mustard and eventually salt to taste. There you have your homemade mayo! After 30 minutes, your potatoes will be cooked throughout. When you cut them, they should look like this, with flaky edges and with mealy texture. Cut your potatoes, don't be neat. Those uneven edges will make the difference. Another trick for crunchy fries is to let them rest overnight in the fridge to dry out. Fill a Dutch oven with 2 liters of peanut oil and wait until it reaches the temperature. Use a mid-temperature check device, also called thermometer, to see when it reaches about 430 Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius. And it's time to fry! Use a slotted spoon to gently lower your potatoes in frying oil. Don't add too many potatoes at once, but wait a little in order to avoid the oil temperature dropping. We like to sprinkle some rosemary in the frying oil to give an extra flavor and extra crunchiness. Allow your fries to get crispy and golden, stirring them once in a while, then take them out of the pan using a skimmer again and place them on some paper towel. Look at those sizzling golden cuties! They look so hot and crunchy. That's exactly what we wanted. Fries go! Crispy outside, soft and moist inside. Super tasty! Put your fries in some nice cups and don't forget a generous pinch of salt. Enjoy your fries dipped in the homemade sauce. Let me taste again. And this is how we do French fries. Let us know if you try and don't forget to subscribe!